Welcome to Lukman's. We have a nice equation here. X cubic is equal to 555 cubic plus 444 cubic plus 333 cubic. What is the value of x? So x should be such that when you take the cube root on the left, you also take the cube root on the right hand side. So this is how we are going to simplify this expression. You can clearly see that here we want to divide this part by 5, the second part by 4, and the third part by 3. And we are going to do that by factoring out those three respective numbers. That is 5, 4, and 3. So you find out that 555 divided by 5, it is 111. 444 divided by 4 is 111. And 3 divided by 3 is 311. We are going to use this law of indices. When you have bracket A multiplying by B, everything power n, to remove the bracket, you raise each number to the power of n. So we do the same here. We raise 5 to power 3, 111 to power 3, and the other part 4 to power 3, 111 to power 3, 3 to power 3, 111 to power 3 to obtain the following. So we shall have x cubic being equal to 5 cubic multiplied by 111 power 3 plus 4 power 3 multiplied by 111 power 3 plus 3 power 3 multiplied by 111 power 3. Then from there, you can clearly see that 111 is common on the right hand side. So you factorize it out. So we shall be left with the 5 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 3 power 3. Then 5 power 3, it is 125. 4 power 3 is 64. And 3 power 3 is 27. So we write that. So we get 111 power 3 multiplied by 125 plus 64 plus 27. 125 plus 64 plus 27, it is 216. So you have 111 multiplied by 216. 216 is the same as 6 to the power of 3. So we have 111 power 3 multiplying by 600 and multiplying by 6 to the power of 3, which can be written as, so x cubic is equal to 111 power 3 multiplying by 6 power 3. Then we employ this law of indices, whereby if you have a to the power of n multiplying by b to the power of n, when the indexes are the same, it is the same as multiplying the bases, and then you raise the base, the product of the base to the index. In our case, our basis is 111 multiplied by 6, and our index is 3. So x cubic is equal to bracket 111 multiplied by 6, everything power 3. So 106 multiplied by 6 is the same as 666. So x cubic is equal to 666 power 3. Remember, the objective is to obtain the value of x. And now what we are going to do, we are going to obtain cube root both sides. So the cube root of x cubic, clearly this one will be x, and the cube root of 666 cube is 666, because when you are taking the cube root of a number and that number is cubic, it is the same as that number. So our value of x is 666. Thanks so much for taking your time to study months with me. Remember to follow these simple steps so that you may be able to know how to obtain the value of x. In case you have any other approach or any other way whereby you can obtain the value of x, which you have found here to be 666, kindly let me know in the comment below. Otherwise, bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.